So can you give any example? That is the pre-post experimental design. In that context, we can use this Wilcoxian sign-dang test. We can use the sign test, and when the data is very large, then we can use the Wilcoxian sign-dang test. So in psychological test or in any test of social science, wherein we can use the pre-post psychological test.
Sir, test construction, sir.
Yeah, for the test construction, that can vary over the time
period.
Okay, for example, state anxiety inventory. State anxiety inventory that we can administer before the intervention and after the intervention to the same individual. Okay. So it is the paired sample before and after. Why? Because state anxiety varies with the situational issues. Okay. Therefore, we can use the state anxiety inventory to assess the differences between pre and post experimental condition. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, you go to the Google Classroom. There you will find the Wilcoxian sign-dang test. Okay, Mona Lisa, please read.
Yes, sir.
From Google Classroom, you read.
Okay. Wilcoxon sign-dang test, sir.
Wilcoxian sign-dang test.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Augustine Farah has submitted.
Yes, sir.
Augustine, you have submitted Wilcoxian sign-dang test.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm
Yes.
sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Augustine. Yes.
It's Mona Lisa AP03.4.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm just now searched. Yes, ma'am. Mann-Whitney U test is there, na, ma'am?
Yeah, go below.
Okay. Yes, sir. Sir, Wilcoxon sign rank test, na? Yes, sir. I found, sir. Wilcoxon sign rank test. The Wilcoxon sign rank test is a non-parametric statistical test used to determine whether two related samples come from the same distribution. It is often used in psychology research to compare two sets of data from the same individuals, such as pre and post treatment scores or scores on two different tests administered to the same individuals.
Please, now
Yes.
to follow karo. So here, when you will find, that is, you have to justify the test and retest reliability. Okay, then you can administer this Wilcoxon sign rank test also. Because in case of the test retest reliability, you have to use the paired sample. Same sample will be treated twice. Okay. So in that context, you can use the Wilcoxon sign rank test. Another condition where you have to assess. Suppose you are asked to assess the effect of anti-anxiety drug on the change in the anxiety level, then before administration of the anti-anxiety drug, you can collect the data from your sample through the state anxiety inventory of Spielberger. And after the intervention, that is after the administration, again, you can assess the state anxiety level of your patient. So you will get the two sets of data of same person. Only there is one intervention is there. So if your anti-anxiety drug has the effect on the anxiety level, then you will find the differences between the two conditions. And if it does not have any effect, then you will not find any difference between the two conditions. Now it is clear. When it is written, that is the two related samples come from the same distribution or not. So if your anti-anxiety drug does not have any effect, okay, then you will find there is no difference between the two sets of scores. This is clear now, Kavita?
Yes, sir.
Any question? No. Okay, Mona Lisa, next.
Suppose a researcher is interested in investigating whether a new measure of self-esteem is reliable and consistent over time. To do this, the researcher administers the measure to a group of 20 participants on two occasions, 1 week apart.
Yeah. So if you think that is your psychological test is relatively stable, it will not vary over that time due to any condition. Okay. Then you can use this Wilcoxian sign rank test. Again, because then you will find there is no significant difference between the test scores of two administrations. So before 1 week and after 1 week, you will not find any difference between the two conditions. This is clear? That means when you are interested to find out that whether the traits measured by your psychological test would vary over the time or not. So that can be tested by this Wilcoxian sign rank test. So here you will find the self-esteem is relatively stable. It does not vary much over the time. Therefore, you can collect the data from the 20 participants on two occasions, that is 1 week apart. Why 1 week apart? Because it has been assumed that the respondents will forget the item contents of your questionnaire. Therefore, you can use it 1 week apart. Next.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Next.
To test whether the measure is reliable over time, we can perform a Wilcoxon sign rank test using the Wilcox dot test within bracket.
Wilcox dot test is the function.
Function
Okay.
is.
Yeah. And within the bracket, that means your data frame.
Yes, sir.
So this is the R script. Now this R script you can write down in your mobile or in your laptop, and then you can check the data.
Yes, sir.
So Mona Lisa, you have the laptop?
Yes, sir. I have laptop. I have to open, sir.
Yeah, or you can use it mobile also, no problem. Kavita, you can use it in mobile or laptop.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
First administration and second administration. Two sets of data are there.
Yes.
And the next one you have to create another vector, that is the data frame, where
Yes.
the sets of two data, first and second administration will be there. After that, you can check your data, and then you have to use the function wilcox.test.
Yes, sir.
Then the first administration data set, comma, second administration data set. Then you have to declare paired equal to true. That means it is a paired test. Exact equal to false. Then you will get the result. So I am giving you 5 minutes time. Finish it. If you have the laptop, then you can select the total program in the RPRIT area. And after that, you can run the test.
Sir, I don't have the 20 participant data.
This data already I have written.
Oh, so we will type this and run, na, sir?
Yeah.
Yes, sir, I am doing that.
Hello, Farah. Farah,
Yes, sir.
you have sent the poster, and this it is very difficult to read the white. So can you make it black,
Okay, sir. Sure, sure.
the font, so that it would be easy?
Okay, sir. I'm sending you again, sir.
Farah, can you give some more time? 15th August. Today is the 15th August.
Sir, then, sir, you tell me, sir, then,
18th
because,
August, 18th,
sir, they have time till 21st. With the
22nd August is the class.
yes, sir.
So if you give some time, at least
So,
2 days.
sir, then, can we start from 29th, our classes?
No, we will start from 22nd August.
Okay. Okay, the late fees, sir, after 18th. Okay.
So if you write down before 20th or before the 18th August like that,
Yes, sir.
that is better. No?
Okay.
Done, Mona Lisa?
Sir, doing. It will finish soon.
Okay. Kavita? Bharat, please you share it in the all the groups with the Google
Sure,
Form.
sir. Sir, you have shared in the undergraduate group as well. Shall I delete it from there?
Yeah, you share.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Very good. What is your result?
Sir, V is equal to 79. P value is equal to 0.7857. Alternative hypothesis. True location shift is not equal to 0.
Okay. Kavita, what is your result? Hello, Kavita.
Yes, sir.
What is your result?
Uh, Sir, error is coming, sir.
You got. Why error is coming? Are you using laptop?
Yes,
Okay.
sir. I am.
Mona Lisa is sharing.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay, Mona Lisa is sharing.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I think this is okay, no?
Yes, sir.
This is okay. Can you make it big? You click the font, view. You make it big so that Kavita can see.
Yes, sir. View. Next, toolbar.
Kavita, can you see it now?
No, sir, I cannot see the screen. Data frame is coming. After that, we
Okay, I am sharing. This is visible.
yes, sir.
Now you click File. Go to the file. Here it is, new file. Then there is R script. Now here you paste. Oh, paste is not working. Yeah. Now it is clear.
Yes,
First
sir.
administration, second administration.
Yes, sir.
So if I select the total A and then
Run, sir.
Run.
Yes,
So
sir.
B equal to 79.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
if it is written in the console, then it will not come.
No, you have to write down in the R script, not in
Oh.
the console. Console means interactive mode. You have to write down one by one.
Okay, sir. Oh, I start the write in the console.
No. So if you write everything in the script window,
Yes, sir.
then that is better for you. So Mona Lisa, your result is same, na? V equal to 79
Yes, sir. Same result.
and P equal to 0.78.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is clear now.
Yes, sir. Here V means, sir.
V means the value. Wilcoxon-Snyder test, their value is equal to 79. And the p-value is 0.78.
There is the probability value, sir.
Yeah, next one is the probability value.
Yes, sir.
Here the advantage is you can use the score directly.
Yes, sir.
And the program will transform the score into rank. And finally, they will give you the result. And it is the paired t-test. Not the paired t-test, paired test. That is the same people was treated twice.
Yes, sir.
So this is clear now, Kavita?
Sir,
Yes, Kavita.
sir, we copy from the Google Classroom and paste in the live our script. After that, we run, and then the result come, sir.
Yeah, you have to remove this greater than sign.
Okay, sir.
Now we can test the data by using box plot. Bracket self-esteem data. Okay. So this is the data. You will find the data is almost same. No? Because the median is at the same position. Though the box size is little bit greater than the earlier one, but the quartile 2 and quartile 1, they are in the same position. Possibly due to this reason, we do not find any significant difference between the test scores of two administration, before and after.
Sir, again, could you please tell, sir?
Yeah, here you can find two sets of data. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is the before administration and this is the after administration.
Yes, sir.
And we find that is the first quartile and the second quartile. They are at the same position.
Yes, sir.
And the box size also similar. First quartile and second quartile, the difference same. Only the quartile 2 and quartile 3, here the size is better, bigger, little bit bigger in case of the second administration.
Yes, sir.
Another thing, that is the minimum score between the two sets of data before and second administration. There is a difference. Minimum score lies here and this is the minimum score. Close to 14 and that is to 14.5.
Yes, sir.
Or the before. Okay, or 15 maybe. Maybe it is 15.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 15 and this is the 14.
Yes, sir.
And you will find that is not much difference between the two sets of data. Therefore, your p-value is 0.7857.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Then why this happens little bit at second administration lower score is lower than the first administration? Why, sir?
Because the score is like this. We have received the score. The score is like this. And why this particular score, that depends upon the researcher. Now, if I write down first equal to rank first administration and second equal to second administration before that I am writing rank okay.
Yes, sir.
So this score will be converted into rank. So if I write down list bracket first comma second, then I will get this is the rank. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now,
That's we tight rank up result.
yeah, so yeah, so I am writing COR dot test bracket first, comma, second, comma, method, equal to Spearman. Okay.
Yes, sir.
One sec. No, is this? Dollar. Oh, acha. Second, comma. Spearman. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Since there is no significant difference between the two groups, therefore I find the correlation between the two is 0.90. This is clear. So first administration and the second administration, by using the Wilcoxon sign rank test, we find there is no significant difference. And after that, we have used the data visualization. There again, we find no difference. And for that reason, we have converted the score into rank. And then we test the rank order correlation between the two sets of data. And the rho is 0.90 because there is no significant differences between the first and second administration. They are correlated. This is clear now?
Yes, sir.
So in two ways, I have shown you how do you justify your Wilcoxon sign rank test. Okay. Mona Lisa, it is clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So I think now I have completed the non-parametric statistical test part in applied psychometric course. Now it is your time to write the proposal and to submit the report. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now I am closing.
Thank you, sir. Good